First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, this video will be regarding the important topics and the important concepts that you need to prepare for IBPS Clerk or PO 2023 exam. Right? So because there are some important topics are there recently for the past 2 to 3 years, they are asking more and more on the prelims exam. So you have to prepare all those topics, right? You need to give more importance to those topics. So before telling you that what are all the daily practice you need to do and what are all the weekly practice. So before telling you all those stuff, so first remember one thing, the practice is more and more important for the prelims exam. So do not forget to purchase any one of the package. Either if you want the test package 2023, you will get 100 plus practice set on a single package. So or else if you want only for IBPS Clerk or only for IBPS PO, it's just only 99 rupees. You can get it and practice all the practice sets which is inside it. And for the test package 2023, we have given lots and lots of homework for the bank exams, sectional test and then aptitude separately sectional, reason separately sectional. So do not forget to purchase any one. So my suggestion will be test package 2023. So do not forget to purchase it either on my mobile application or my website feelfreetolearn.com. So purchase and start practicing the test, right? So now let me move on to some of the important topics that you need to prepare for IBPS Clerk prelims or IBPS PO prelims 2023. So first important topic for the recent years, that is for recent 3 years, when you look into the memory based question paper, so the first topic will be caselets. Caselets is most important. I have posted 4 videos on 4 or 5 set of videos that is based on the caselets. So caselet is nothing but they usually give you a passage. So by reading the passage, you have to frame a tabular column and you have to write down all the values inside the tabular column by using the reading the passage and finding the ratio values or percentage value. So after framing a tabular column, you need to solve all the 5 questions under that passage. So it will be asked for 5 marks. And this is most important for recent years bank exams, because from the year 2020 on every prelims exam we can able to see 5 marks on caselet. So do not forget to learn the caselet first, and second is the set theory. So set theory and the caselet, moreover it is same. The same question set theory can also be solved by a caselet method, right? But if you solve in that set theory 3 sets, I hope you remember this, right? Only mathematics, only physics. So those concepts are important. So for the past 3 years, in most of the prelims important exams, even in the mains exam in the data interpretation, we have seen the questions that is based on caselets. So don't forget to learn caselets and the set theory. If you can't able to find a question what is called as caselet and set theory, so visit my channel, search caselet. I have posted 6 sets on caselet questions. So try to watch all those things, right? So this is important in aptitude. When it comes to reasoning session, this alpha numerical series, right? Alpha numerical series. So many will say the topic name in different way, but the real concept is you may see a question like this: 789, 631, 436, 121. The question will be like, you have to arrange all the numbers in a descending order, then find which are the numbers or multiples of 3. So those kinds of questions in the recent exams you can able to see in all the exams, right? All the exams you can able to see asked for 5 marks in the reasoning session, because 4 or 5 years back machine input output was the important topic, but nowadays machine input output questions were not asked in any of the exams, bank exams. But instead of that, you can able to see alpha numerical series or else element series. Element series is nothing but RD5 percentage $2E. So you have to find left hand side, from the left hand side 9th position is which letter or which number. So those kinds of questions. So these two are more and more important in the reasoning session nowadays, right? So practice more number of questions. So that's the reason every practice set I have just concentrated more on caselet as well as alpha numerical series, right? So I think remaining all those steps are normal, like they usually in the exams you may see 3 blood relation question, 1 direction. or else one blood relation question, 3 question from direction. That is a common part. And coding, decoding will be asked, and coded inequality for 5 marks. Syllogism, rare case, it's very rare case syllogism. In case if they are asking syllogism for a 5 marks, 4 or 3 question will be easy, one will be little bit medium to difficult level. So better we can leave that. Out of 5 you can solve 4. Okay? So syllogism, I will write down all those things. So syllogism is, we can't able to predict because some exams they are asking, some exams they are not asking syllogism. But anyway, out of 5 you can attempt 4. I am talking about an average student, right? So next will be coded inequality. That is a greater than, less than, A less than B, A greater than C. So those kind of question for 5 marks. And then what are all the directions? Directions for either 3 or 1, blood relation. Blood relation either 3 or 1. And then coding decoding. So coding decoding is nothing but there are 2 patterns in coding decoding. One is either they can ask for only 1 mark or else 3 or else 5 mark. You know, coding decoding is DA, AE, AF. So those kinds of questions, I hope you remember it. So something like money can be written as AD, EF, RD. So we have to cancel it. I hope I have solved many questions on my channel. So those kinds of question is called as coding decoding. Either those questions can be asked for 3 marks or 5 marks. So 1 mark question will be easy. For example, the health, health can be written as $2 EDS, etc. So how this word can be written as? So those kinds of questions, this word can be coded as. So those kinds of questions they will ask you in 1 mark, right? So other than that, ranking ordering. Ranking ordering is a rare case, but anyway, this ranking ordering is also comes under this alphanumerical series. It's one of the concept in alphanumerical series, ranking, because after arranging them, we have to find which is the highest or which is the lowest number. So those concepts comes in this ranking ordering session. So these are the topics are important for the prelims exam, right? There are more topics. For example, there are mission input output, and there are data sufficiency, there are cause and effect, implicit, explicit. There are many concepts are there in the reasoning session. But remember one thing, in 20 minutes, because 20 minutes is sectional timing, right? In 20 minutes, then solving 22 plus will be the good attempt in reasoning, right? So, you know, apart from this, there is one major topic which is called as arrangement, that everyone has to practice. No other way. Without practicing arrangement, you can't able to clear the reasoning section and the bank exams. So that is the main part. Reasoning, main part is arrangement. So these topics are sub part, right? So similarly, when you take this numerical ability. So numerical ability, the major part will be DA, data interpretation, table, bar chart, etc. First is DA, second is the simplification, third is the equation, and fourth will be this caselet and set theory. So finally will be miscellaneous. So keep the miscellaneous as a final part. So before a final part, try to finish equations, simplification or approximation, number series, and then DA. So try to solve all those questions before the miscellaneous. Why? Because sometimes miscellaneous might take 2 or 3 minutes to solve a single question. So in the same 3 minutes, you can solve 5 DA. That is 5 questions in DA. So that is most important. So make sure that practice is more and more important for the prelims exam. For the mains exam, preparation is more and more required. Never and ever learn only shortcut. If you learn only shortcut, clearing an exam is not at all possible. If you are a beginner, kindly do not learn the shortcut, learn the traditional method. Try to solve the traditional method faster way. That will definitely help you to crack the exams, right? So for every question, there is no way to solve only by using a shortcut. So I think in 20 minutes reasoning session, 22 plus will be the good attempt. So in aptitude, out of 20 minutes, right, out of 35 marks I'm saying. So out of 35 marks, 25 will be the good attempt. So similarly in aptitude, out of 35, 18 plus will be the good attempt. I don't know about what is English section, that is based upon your skills, right? So you have to target 55 plus, try to target 55 plus in the prelims exam out of 100. Surely you can able to clear it. So for that, getting 55, again practice is more and more important, because every 1 minute you have to solve one question. So only then you can able to solve 60 question in 60 minutes. So some question if you take 30 seconds, that is called as time management, where you can solve more number of questions, right? So friends, that's it, right, for this IBPS Clerk 2023 or PO prelims exam. By referring 3 years question papers, not only IBPS, by referring SBA Clerk, SBA PO, and then this RBI assistant question papers. So I just sit and checked out the previous year question papers, 3 years question paper. So for the past 1 days, the notification came 2 days back itself. But the reason for posting the video now is I just need to have some analysis. Without analysis, just like that, I won't put a video, just I need to analyze something. So for the past 3 years, which topic is important is the case state and set theory first. And in the reasoning session, alphanumerical series. This is second. And other than that, in the past 3 years exams, mission input output was, I think they have in main important bank exams, mission input output was not asked, but anyway, try to learn that also. But you just spend less number of time for learning that mission input output, those topic. So spend more number of time for learning these kinds of question, and then element series question, right? And then coding, decoding. So this question is easy, but it takes some more time. So you have to solve more questions here, and then arrangements. So when it comes to arrangements, split into 5 parts arrangement. One is a linear arrangement, circular arrangement, square or a rectangular arrangement, box arrangement, and then a floor arrangement, right? 5 part of arrangement. So practice easy to medium level, enough. So just 25 question on each arrangement session. So keep time, right? Every arrangement question you have to solve within 3 minutes. So keep it as a target and solve this 5 session arrangements. So keep 25 sets, right? 25 sets of each model, and sit and solve every week. Every week, first week, solve circular arrangement 25 sets, easy to medium level. Next week, solve linear arrangement. Third week, solve a question that is based on square and a triangle. And the fourth week, solve question that is based on box arrangements, right? So box L is kept above box M, those kinds of arrangement. And finally, solves of 25 sets that is based on floor based puzzles. So keep it as a weekly target. Weekly, every week you have to solve 25 arrangements. On the daily basis, you have to solve daily 1 hour. You have to solve 15 simplification, 15 approximation, 5 equation, and 1 DA. That should be solved in 1 hour. Keep it as a practice. So if you do on for this 1 hour, 1.5 month, I think exam is there. So 45 days. So in this 45 days, if you do it, so surely you can able to crack the prelims exam. For the mains exam, so again, practice is not at all required, preparation is more required. For example, current affairs you need to prepare more, right? So other than that, aptitude, practice more, because current affairs is the major part in the mains exam. Reasoning session, arrangement is the major part. So make sure to learn all those stuff for the mains exam. So friends, that's it about the video, right? I hope it is helpful. Only thing, do not forget to purchase the practice set and start writing it today. Every test, there are more than 100 tests, so every day if you keep on writing 2 tests, definitely it will be useful. It helps you to manage your time properly. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. I hope I have posted many videos, keep on posting videos, that is for especially for bank exams. So do not forget to watch all my videos on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much friends for watching this video. Bye.